Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Rohit and in this video I will show you how to create a QR code generator using Java and Zing library. In this project we will take a URL from the user and automatically generate a QR image file on your computer. Before we start the project we need two files, core.jar and java.sc.jar. So this is the link and I can provide this link on the description. Also you can go and download these two files, and after downloading these two files you can go main menu, project structure, and simply press modules. And I already downloaded it and I selected these two files. And if you uh, press add, and you can go jar and directories, and simply where you download these two files and simply press this file and simply okay, and you can all set now. So I already selected these two files, so I can simply press ok. And then we need some packages. Here you can see now import com.google zing barcode format. This barcode format tells Java we are creating QR code. Then we can use second package multi format writer. This converts text into QR structure. And then we can use matrix to image writer, so it convert QR into image. And then we can use bit matrix, it store QR code design. And then simply use path and paths to store file location. And simply last package, we need a scanner to take user input. Let's start coding to build this project. So first we need to define a class, so we can type public class and named QR code generator, and inside it we can define our main method where our actual program will be start. Then we can simply use scanner class, so we can type scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Scanner is used to take input, and then we can print using sout and type here enter your URL. It asks user to enter any website or text, and then we can simply use string URL is equal to sc dot next line. This line helps to trim and removes extra spaces. Then we need to define our file path, so we can simply use string and simply type file path. And for location, go to your menu and select the folder where you want to download your QR code image and press right click, go to properties and simply copy this location, and go back to your IntelliJ and simply paste this location and paste and give QR code image name. So I can give QR code 2.png. Basically this is the location where our QR image will be saved. You can change this path according to your computer. Then we can define try and catch. Basically try and catch is designed to handle errors safely. So we can define a try first, and inside we can define our QR code width and height. So we can define first width is equal to 300, and also define our height of the QR image 300. And then we can simply use bit matrix. Bit matrix is equal to bit matrix is equal to new multi format writer, and we can use encode and type URL, and we can again type barcode format dot QR code, and simply define our width and height. Here we can semicolon. So basically this line converts our text or URL into code pattern, and it store the QR design inside the bit matrix. Now we can convert our this bit matrix into an image file, and the file is saved automatically. So we can define first file path, and simply type paths.get and simply type here our file path. And again we can use metrics to image writer and type writer to path and simply type here our metrics, and we can define format is equal to png and again path. Now we convert QR metrics into an image format successfully. Then we can simply print success message. So we can simply print using sout QR code was generated successfully. So if QR code was generated successfully, we can simply print QR code was generated successfully. And if problem occurs, so for that we can use catch. We can use catch and simply pass your exception and simply print using sout and pass here error generating QR code, and simply in the last we can use e dot print stack trace. So if any problem occurs, this block shows the error and print error generating QR code. So this is our project. Our project is completed now. Let's run the project. So here you can see now enter the URL. So I can copy my URL. I can copy and simply go back and simply paste this my URL, and you can see now our QR code was generated successfully. So our QR code name is qr code2.png. So let's check. So here you can see now our QR is generated successfully. This is our QR. So this is our QR code generator using Java and Zing project. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment if you want advanced QR generator with logos and color. Thanks for watching.